Morning and thanks for joining us on this Tuesday. We've got a flood watch in effect. It's in effect all afternoon through the overnight and into tomorrow morning. We've got a flood watch for most of the Ozarks as we'll tack on another about 2 to 3 inches of rain today, and we already got some down yesterday. That puts us with a limited to elevated flooding risk as we head through the week. Any small streams, rivers would swell. Any low-lying areas will likely see some ponding, so you just want to keep your eyes out for that. And in the case that you do see any flooded roadways, things like that, don't drive in them. It doesn't take a lot of water to really impact your car, and don't swim or walk or play in floodwaters. You can't tell what's in the waters. Could be live wires, could be who knows what. So just keep these things in mind. We got about 1 to 1.5 inches of rain in parts of the area yesterday. You could see that line there just north and west of Springfield. We've got more rain on the radar this morning. We'll continue to keep rain on the radar as we head through the day. Springfield Metro not seeing too much right now, but we do have some showers to the south and east. Some pockets have some heavy downpours around Branson. We've got some heavy downpours and lightning around Berryville this morning. And again, we'll likely see the same pattern as we had through the day. Some rounds of showers, rounds of heavy rain, thunder and lightning possible. So what's happening is we're riding a cold front that's just stuck and not moving anywhere. It's also tapping into energy in the jet stream. That's what those words low level of jet mean. And we're just continuing to see this fuel as we head through the day, continuing rounds of showers, storms, and again, potentially heavy rain. Now look at how strong this cold front is. It is 32 degrees in Kansas City and 67 in Springfield. Just incredible, that temperature difference. And what's going to happen is as this boundary nudges eastward as we head through the day, we're going to start to tap into that cold air, and that's where we'll start to see a changeover to some light freezing rain. So here we go. We timed this out for you. You can see we've got this rounds of rain, the pockets of orange and red being some pockets of heavy rain. And notice the temperatures. We're already in the 40s and 50s by the end of the day. We're going to tumble these temperatures as we head through the afternoon. More pockets of heavy rain this evening as we head through the evening hours. Temperatures continuing to fall. Already by the evening, we're looking at some 30s up north and west. Overnight tonight, after midnight, we'll start to get towards that freezing mark, and most of the rain is exiting. But whatever rain is left behind that front, we could see start to change over to some of that light freezing rain. That's what that pink is. We'll get down to 29 degrees by tomorrow morning. So again, we could have some icing, a little bit of a glaze as you head out to work and school tomorrow. Then by the afternoon, I think we'll have a little bit of a lull, cloud cover at temperatures in the 30s. Then another round of some light freezing rain overnight Wednesday into Thursday morning, with temperatures hovering that freezing mark. Forecast rain for today, about 2 to 3 inches area wide. Again, that's why we've got that flood watch in effect. As far as the ice goes tonight, we're looking at about a glaze, about 1/10 of an inch, if not a little bit more than that possible. And again, we'll have very saturated grounds too, so we'll have to keep an eye out on how this accumulates with some of the saturated grounds. And then, of course, we're not done. We'll have more of that rain come through overnight Thursday into Friday, Saturday, another round of heavy rain with another 1 to 2 inches of rain likely there, if not more. So by the end of the week, we're looking at totals 5 to 6 inches south and east, around 4 to 5 inches around Springfield, and 2 inches areas north and west. Wet February. We've already had record wet values for some moisture in the upper levels of the atmosphere. What it could translate to is 5 to 6 inches by the end of the week. Our monthly average for February is 2.5 inches. We could be rivaling the record wettest February of almost 6.5 inches from 2008. 50 today. Temperatures falling, heavy rain and thunder. 29 overnight with a changeover to freezing rain. A slick start on Wednesday and much colder with temperatures in the 30s. More ice possible Wednesday night into Thursday, and then showers and thunder again Friday and Saturday.